Every day I wake up with the same vision in my head. How are we going to get this done? Not, can we get this done? Hi, I'm Ian Campbell. I'm the Vice President of the National Transformation Institute here at KAUST. In order to advance the research, we've got to understand where is the need. What we're trying to do is to work with industry and government to understand the challenges that they face. We're then starting to look internally and with partners as to how we would potentially address those challenges. I think it's a great privilege to run NTI. However, I rely on great people. The biggest enjoyment I get is about working with great minds every day, trying to solve difficult problems. So NTI is a focal point for partnerships. We need collaborations. We need partnerships between industry, other academic institutes, KAUST and government. NTI aims to reach beyond the walls of KAUST to make impact and scale. Doing that through creating jobs, through working with the gigaprojects, by dealing directly with governments, ministries and industries to ensure that we move towards the goals of Vision 2030. We actually have a purpose. There's meaning to everything we're trying to do. And I think that's an important mindset that for myself and the team take on every day.